So notice we have 4 different matrices and we just want to perform each operation and simplify. So if we look at this first one, we're going to take A plus B. So first thing we'll do is we'll write matrix A, 1, negative 5, 0, 2, and then matrix B, and then we'll just add like terms. We know that 1 plus negative 6 is negative 5. Okay. We know that negative 5 plus 5 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 2 plus 1 is 3. And guess what? That's it. Done. If we look at our next letter B, we're going to take 3 times matrix A. So we'll put a 3 and then matrix A plus 10 times matrix C. Okay, so matrix C, negative 3, 2/5, negative 7, and 4. Okay, so the first step we would have to do is do that scalar product. So we'll distribute the 3 through the front matrix. So we'll have elements 3, negative 15, 0, and 6, and distribute the 10 to the second matrix. Okay, so let's see, negative 30, 10 times 2/5 is 4, negative 70, and 10 times 4 is 40, and then all that's left for us to do is to add like terms like we did in letter A. So notice we will do negative 27, negative 11, negative 70, and 46. That's it. If we look at letter C, notice we're going to start with matrix B. And this time we'll subtract 2 times A. Ooh. Okay, now it's important that we distribute the negative 2 throughout the second matrix, and then we can add like terms. So I'm going to keep the first matrix the same, and I'll change the minus to a plus and distribute negative 2 through the second matrix. Okay, and then we just add like terms like we did previously. We know negative 6 plus negative 2 is negative 8, 5 plus 10 is 15, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And that's all you got to do. Last but not least, this time we'll take 9D. Five, 6, 1, 6, 0, negative 3, plus matrix B. Okay, so we know 9 times 5/6 is 15 over 2. 9 times 1/6 is 3 over 2. 0, negative 27, and then the back matrix remains the same. Okay, and then we just add like terms. We know 5 halves and take away 6 as like taking away 12 halves would be 3 halves. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 halves plus 9 would be like 3 halves plus 18 halves, which would be 21 halves. And negative 27 plus 1 is negative 26. That's it. Take a minute or two to try these example U-tries. Okay, so hopefully you found for A, row 1 to be 2, negative 29 over 4, row 2, 1 and 15. For B, the first row, 0 and 61, second row, 30 and negative 23. For C, first row, 0, negative 22, second row, 13, 8. And for letter D, negative 5 and 57 over 2, 18, negative 2. And you're ready to do practice. Yay!